That's right here. And this little divot of this rock is where I just found that last one. I moved a little bit of rock over here and found whatever this is. Scraper maybe, probably. That's freaking awesome. I love it. Yeah, I'd say that's a scraper. Yes. I'll look around here a little bit. Maybe I'll find another one. Hell. That's two within literally a foot. I'll get home, start watching this, and probably find one on the damn video that I didn't see right now. That's cool. Horn coral. Okay, well, I'll get to looking. If I find something else, I'll bring you back.